This book about the doctor who came up with hand washing was not what I expected. I had heard the story of Ignaz Semmelweis, how nobody believed his theory that doctors should wash their hands, how they institutionalized him and he died in an insane asylum, how he wasn't hailed a hero until years after his death. But after reading this book, I realized that story is mostly untrue, at least not the way people tell it. Many examples on this app. While it's true Semmelweis instituted hand washing in his clinic and drastically reduced deaths of new mothers, and while it's true his theory was met with a lot of skepticism, it's also true Semmelweis could have done a much better job convincing people of the effectiveness of hand washing. He refused to conduct rigorous studies and publish his findings. Most of the medical community had to rely upon secondhand reports of his theory. We have the luxury today of knowing Semmelweis was right, and that if everyone would have listened to him, countless lives could have been saved. But he and everyone around him didn't have our hindsight. Countless lives could have been saved were it not for Semmelweis's hubris. Countless lives could have been saved had he more carefully communicated his ideas and not called his colleagues murderers. As for him being institutionalized, hard to say it had anything to do with people doubting him. If anything, the reverse. His mental health really did decline, and unfortunately he couldn't get the help he might have today. Look, we're attracted to the fable of Ignaz Semmelweis because we love the story of the underappreciated genius. There's something satisfying about hearing about someone who was doubted by the establishment and turned out to be right after all. Well, the less sexy story is maybe this somebody should have bothered to write and publish his ideas. If you want to know the real story of Ignaz Semmelweis, read The Doctor's Plague.